butterfly bow. Like the butterfly, I will be transforming self eternally. At every stage, I learn and grow. In every form, I come to know. Expression of my soul, a shining ray, a brilliant crow, bird wings. I'm flutter free, enjoy yourself, discovery from single cell to wings bright, from matter dark, cosmic light bow. Itingnan ko ako.
Oh. Teka lang, di pa nakastop. Teka lang, di ba na yan?
The butterfly bow.
Fly.